Imagine everyone around you starts acting strange, glancing at you, whispering, avoiding eye contact. Then you get a message. A photo of yourself, taken when no one was supposed to be watching. What would you think is happening? All right, before we jump into the story, let's quickly talk about 3 expressions you'll hear that are supernatural in English and will help you sound way more fluent. First one, her stomach dropped. This means she suddenly felt fear, shock, or dread. It doesn't mean her stomach literally fell, of course. It's just how we describe that gut feeling when something scary or surprising happens. Example, when I saw my test grade, my stomach dropped. It's basically your body saying, uh-oh. A useful one to remember for those unexpected moments in life, like opening the fridge and realizing someone ate your pizza. Next, she froze. This means she became completely still, like stopped moving because of shock or fear. You'll hear this in movies, books, or even in real life. Example, he called my name and I froze. I didn't know what to say. It's like your brain hits pause. Kinda like when your internet stops working during your favorite part of a video. Terrifying. And the third one, looked away. This is when someone avoids eye contact, often because they're nervous, uncomfortable, or hiding something. It can show guilt, fear, or sometimes just shyness. Example, I tried to talk to her, but she looked away. It's basically eye contact's way of saying, nope, not today. And we all know how powerful body language can be. All right, now that these words are clear, we can begin our story. Yuko wasn't the type to eavesdrop, but that morning, something made her stop. Just as she walked past the empty classroom on the 2nd floor, she heard her name. Yeah, Yuko can't find out. If she does, it's all ruined. A man's voice. Serious. Then silence. She pressed her ear to the door, but nothing else came through. What can't I know? What falls apart if I find out? She was distracted the whole day. She ran into her friends. They all looked at her weird. One of them even walked up to her, but looked away as soon as she met his eyes. Were they all in on this? At lunch, she checked her phone. Normal notifications. Until she found a photo. A photo of her, taken from a distance. She was walking alone, and the caption, almost ready. Ready for what? Her stomach dropped. She ran to the bathroom, stared at herself in the mirror. No one's going to tell me. Fine, I'll find out myself. At the end of the day, she returned to that empty room. The door was slightly open. Voices again, and her name. She didn't hesitate. She pushed the door open. Surprise! Lights, music, all her friends, signs, balloons. Happy early birthday, Yuko. We didn't want you to suspect anything. You're ready for your surprise. She froze. Her face went from panic to laughter. Her cheeks lit up red. "I thought, you guys. Oh no!" Everyone laughed, and so did she. Sometimes the secret isn't what you think, and that makes it even better. If you liked the story, hit like and subscribe for more. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. And tell me in the comments, what would you have done if you were Yuko? Would you open that door or just walk away? Let's talk below.